Welcome to my channel Sara Art and Design. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further videos notification. So this pant is making for 8 to 9 year girls. So for that I am taking 2 meter of fabric and just gave a 4 fold to it. Double fold it first and then make a fold again, so it's a 4 folded cloth. Open sided is here and the close side on my side, so I am leaving 1 inch on upper side and marking the length of the pant. Length is 32 and I'm just adding 2 inch for seam allowances. So here my bottom is 7 inches and am I adding half inch of seam allowance over here. For the waist part you have to divide your waist by 4 and then add 2 inch over here. So over here it's 9 inches and I am marking for the crotch area is 8 inch and just adding 2 inch over here. You can add 1.5 inch. So from the curve ruler I am just join those points to shape it out. And just adding 1/4 inch for the seam allowances. And cut it out. This is for the kids pant, but if you want to make the design on the adult one, then you have to cut your pant according to your straight pant. Cut according the basic pant and add the extra margin on the back side, on the upper side and the crotch area also if you are making for the adult one. But in kids case we are not required the front shape, that means thighs shape, and the upper side extra margin for the kids. So I am taking the back side leg aside and then pick from the crotch area and just find out the center over here. Fold the fabric till the center, join both the lines and mark the center over here and cut it out. We have to cut from here. So you can make the same design for the adult one, but only you have to remember that you have to cut the normal pant and then make this design. So we cut it from center and mark the wrong side of the fabric over here because it's a plain fabric. Now what we have to do in the next step is we have to attach the back side's crotch length to front side's crotch length. Join the back side crotch to crotch and then our straight fabric is have to stitch on a straight side. Now here I am just going to stitch the straight side to straight side. Just going to join these both sides. Lock the stitch over here and make a running stitch. It's very simple and very beautiful design also. For the kids, you can wear this pant with the short frocks, tops also, and some kurtis also you can wear with that. It will give a little bit tulip, fitted tulip, as we can say it's look like as a fitted tulip. So my one side is completed and we have to join here the crotch to crotch area. Just started from the crotch curve, not from the upper side. We have just started from the crotch side, crotch curve, and make a stitch over here till the end of the pant. You can also wear with the pleated kurtis, some ghair river kurtis, or a U-shaped kurti. You can also wear this. So my one side is completed. We have to do the same to the another side. It would be look like this after stitching. So crotch area is joined to crotch area and straight area is joined to the straight area. Now we have to fold it again. For the design we have to mark it 2 inch, which we have already leave for the margin, and then we mark out the 3 inches. From the bottom part we have to, on the folded side we have to mark the 1 inch, and then going to join these 2 points in a curve shape. And cut it out. After cutting, it would be look like this. Now we have to fold it from all 3 sides, and then we have to do this. Just overlap the fabric. Crotch fabric would be on upper side and sides fabric would be lay on inner side, and our finished part would be look like this. But before finishing we have to give a proper curve shape. You can give curve or deepness of the design as per your requirement. You can give a more deepness and a more curve. So now we have to stitch. Now we have to hem from the sides. All 3 sides we have to hem it like this. So after hemming it would be look like this. These are both parts, and now we have to do is we have to hem for all 3 sides. Started from one side and then hem it till the another end. And we have just started the hemming. Take the one part and just fold it out. And make a stitch. fold the fabric little by little. Take the only 1/4 inch margin, we have to take it over here, and just fold the fabric inside and make a stitch on it. It will give a better finishing, and it would be very easy to attach the lace over here. You can attach the lace, piping, whatever you want, you can do that. You can use some beads over here. So we have to start the lace from the crotch side. Don't join the lace on the another side. We have to join from the crotch side. Till the another side, we have to cover the another side 3 to 4 inches only, not more than that. Always started your piping with 3 to 4 inch to the another end, and just always started from the crotch side area. You can attach this piping till the knee length if you are wearing a long kurti with that. If you are wearing a short crop top or a short kurti, then you have to attach till the waistline. So it's done with here, and my lace is completed. Now I am going to overlap the cloth to each other. We have to overlap the lace. Just put the side one side to the down part and last side on the upper part, and make a stitch on it. We have to join both these parts till the end where our cut is mentioned over here. So our stitches is completed over here, and it would be look like this. On the other side, we have to take our lace length is only till the 2 to 3 inches, and after stitching this, we have to join these crotch areas and make a waistband and put elastic in it, and it would be look like this. I have done with this, and my elastic part is completed over here. My stitching part is completed over here. It would be look like this. It's look very beautiful and elegant piece. So guys, this is the final look of my trouser. If you like my video, then please give me a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching my videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you have any queries, then you can send me in a comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos.